car. Now we're headed to our accom, which is called the Platinum Villa Apartments. But look at the views. This is just the airport. I'm still very tired.
Are you? It's been a while since I've been to Queenstown. Let's go!
Let's play some music, shall we? Wow! That's so pretty. Literally just stopped by the side of the road because the views are insane. What? We've arrived. See the views inside.
Oh, it's open. Oh, it's pretty nice.
It's a bit windy out there right now. I think a trench coat's enough. We've got 30 minutes to explore this part of town.
We'll get some water and stuff for the house. Get some snacks for ourselves.
I'm actually just looking for chips. Yes! Cream and onion is a must.
Yeah, definitely black, sure.
I think I'm just going to get 2 of these.
Yeah. That's the dash of what that is.
Yeah. That looks so fun.
We've got a nice premium one where you get an oyster each from the coral man. I really like the Mount Cook salmon.
Okay.
I think it's pretty cool because it's like,
my favourite.
yeah, it's quite special because the oyster lamb shoulder's pretty good. That's from Royal Burn, which is just up the road, just up the Crown Range Road on the way to Wanaka.
Legs off the
We have arrived. Yo西裝
Oh. Well, it's not great, is it? It's not great, is it? What's up over there?
This is famous. Quite cute. It's cute. Thank you so much. Good. Alright, we're at the burger now. So we're gonna get the pork burger with the cheddar cheese, and then we've got the sweet bambi. And I think that's it.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, yeah.
Have you guys been here before?
Not recently.
When your number gets called on the screen, then just go to the counter over there and they'll give you your food.
Easy. Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
man. But I'm absolutely excited and very ready to rip into a couple of Ferg burgers. Here we go, we've got the goods, let's go! It's old! Good view, hey? Good
Yeah, it's
stuff.
good.
I probably agree, but I'll say it's good, but I don't think it's worth the hype, personally.
And look, this is today's view. Isn't that amazing? It's going to be my first destination wedding outside of Australia. We were all quite worried about the weather yesterday. It was pouring when we were going to sleep, but it's really sunny now, so I think it'll be good for the day. I'm gonna head back to Arrowtown for the ceremony and then back into Queenstown for tonight. You know those purple flowers that everyone sees that are in full bloom and there's like fields and everything, like the ones that are lupins? Well, I thought they were native to New Zealand. I learned yesterday from a waitress that they're actually an invasive species. I thought that I wasn't going to be able to come across any in a field area where I could take like really nice pictures, but actually just in front of our accommodation there was like a bunch of them, so I was really happy to see that even though they're invasive species, they're really pretty.
Oh, sorry.
I thought,
Yeah, that's perfect.
it's worth it.
Alex and Jess. Please give them a round of applause.